Remember when they hate? Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hit yourself and look at me. You made me.
There's levels, bro.
I understand that.
I'm walking this viciously. Jeez, look at them, look at them.
Look, he can't even make that. Woo! We can do that too! That shit is fast.
I'm gonna let you take the jump.
He said he's gonna let us take the jump. Alright, ready? This is what we working with, man.
They all look the same.
They all look the same, but they don't perform the same. That's the difference.
Mm-hmm.
After the turn.
What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be heading to Saxby shop, and I am finally going to be giving you guys an update on the C6. You guys have been asking about it like crazy in the DMs, in the comment section. So today I'm about to be giving y'all an update on the C6, letting y'all know what's going on, what happened, and I guess what happened and what's going on. But yeah, something y'all looking forward to. But I actually did a poll, bro. This is insane. So after doing the poll on Instagram and everything, it looks like, I want to say, you guys' second favorite car of mine is the C6. And it was a close tie with my SC300, which is crazy. Like, crazy. And also did a poll between the LSG and the 2JZG, and it was like, you guys barely, like, it was like 52% to 48%, and the same thing for the C6 and the SE. It was like 51% and 49%, like a crazy, almost 50 to 50 on what people liked more. So it was like, there was really no advantage between the 2J and the LS. It was like roughly the same, which shows like the audience and people that are coming here is insane. Like, now it's almost a 50-50 between American cars and the JDM cars. And then when it came to having the American motor in the JDM car, you guys actually liked that over some of the JDM stuff. It was like a weird ratio, but I was like very intrigued by the results. I was just like, damn, that's, you know, you think people are here for one thing or certain things, and then it's like they like other stuff. I did a poll between one of the cars that was rated high, and then I asked like, what do y'all like, that car better or the Fox? And then it was like 75% picked the Fox. It was like, dude, y'all just voted for this car to be like, probably like 60% over this other car, but then y'all vote for the Fox that doesn't have a JDM motor or any of that, or even an LS or whatever. And then this was like a 76%er. I was like, it just goes to show, man, how much we've grown, and how the dynamic of the channel is, and it's just crazy, man. I'm like mind blown by it, because I started with all JDM stuff, and here we are, man. Y'all are vibing and fucking with everything, so I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, man. I couldn't ask for a better support system and base of people that are fucking viewing my channel, man. I don't really know any other YouTuber that can have the variety and still have the feedback and the love like I have, man. I tell everybody, I feel like I have the best support base when it comes to people that fuck with the channel. I stand by that. I appreciate y'all greatly. I really do, but enough of me talking. Let's get the fuck out this echoing ass garage and get to Sax Speed Shop so y'all can see the C6. But all right, we're gonna be heading out. Z's and G's just sitting here chillaxing. My wheels should be here for my Mickey Thompsons today. So the drag pack should be acquired pretty soon. I think I'm gonna try that out on the 350Z, but I may possibly throw these 17s on the SC too. I think it'll be better suited for the SC since it's gonna make more power, and that car really needs a drag pack. But anywho, man, let's get up out of here. What's up with y'all?
Hey, bro.
What's good?
I'm following you.
All right, we're just getting here to Sax Speed Shop. Look.
All right, I'm already nervous. I'm out.
We've been here for a minute, actually. I've been here for like the last hour and a half talking to this fool Alex. But yeah, I think I had already came over here and did like some recording clips, so I'm gonna drop those before we get into the C6 stuff, give y'all an update on it, because I did come over here record the new heads and all that stuff, so check those out. A lot of y'all been asking what's going on with the C6. Here's my C6 right here. So the whole time I've been driving this car, you guys remember I was like, I got a cooling link somewhere. I don't know where the cooling's coming from. It keeps coming out cooling everywhere, blah, 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 blah. This thing's had a cooling leak the whole time, and turns out it was, the coolant was coming from the heads lifting. So since then, I decided to, instead of just doing like some studs on here, because it currently has bolts. When we first did this thing, we did it to be an NA setup, and I literally forgot it had bolts and not studs. And we've been making 800 plus out this thing with the studs or the bolts, and just started lifting. But instead of doing studs and keeping the stock heads, I decided to go with the mast heads right here. You know what I'm saying? Finally about to do some upgraded heads on this thing. So these are the Sax Speed Shop mast heads. Woo! Look at that. I get to be the first ones to rock these babies. Look at these sexy things. If I can grab one. Look, see the Sax Speed Shop engraved in there. So these are gonna be going on, doing a comparison between these and the factory heads. so now that y'all got the update, here it is in front of me. My lovely C6 that y'all love so much. But you can see these are the new heads right here. These are the CORVETTE Shop mass castings. Whew, I'm interested in seeing what these things are gonna be doing, man. I did the push rod link, so waiting on push rods to come. That's why you see 2 of the rockers on currently. But once the push rods come, this thing should be going back together. But for all those who've been asking about the C6, where it's been, this is where it's been at. Not sure if they still have the old head gasket, but that thing was blown. I don't think these are mine. Nah, these ones are still together. Alright, here y'all go. Check out my old head gaskets. Blew that thing apart, boy. So this confirms our newfound partnership with Vortec, correct?
Of course. Contact me. Let me see. You have an account with us, right? Yeah, you already bought. So let me see your account.
What pulley are we throwing on that?
There's a couple of pulleys. Whatever pulley you want.
So do I have to take the one off my my current?
What do you have on there now?
3-4.
3-4. I mean, we could do a calculator real quick.
How much boost is that gonna give me?
What are you trying to do?
I mean, I'm not trying to blow it up, but how much boost is a 3-4 give a YSI on stock crank pulley?
How much does the 3-4 give you the TI?
Right now I'm at like 14.
14 PSI?
Yeah, 13ish, yeah, about 13, 14.
Same pulley combo, you're probably gonna see like 3 PSI difference. Same pulley.
Oh, so that's perfect.
So yeah, you'll probably be around like 16, 17.
So if my stock blows up with y'all new supercharger, do I send my new build to y'all or what? Y'all liable for that?
No.
What do you think about that? What do you think about that?
Should've got 2, motherfucker. That's what I think about that.
Now partnered up with Vortec. Hi, what's good, my peoples? I'm back at the hut. Man, I'm hella excited right now, bruh. The C6 is about to be fucking crazy. The C6 might end up being faster than my SC now. This is a big game changer. I've talked to Vortec about this a while ago, and I just randomly called and like, let me see if this offer still stands, and y'all heard it firsthand, man. Whew. Officially partnered up with Vortec on the C6 for the YSI. And now plans are about to be changing, dude. Plans are changing. I'm hella excited about it. This is gonna take the C6 to the next level. I think the C6 is possibly gonna be faster than my SC300 now. I need to definitely get ready to build a block. I definitely need to get a block ready because this will sit us over what the stock block LS3 could take. So I'm probably gonna do maybe a 416 backup, a full forged motor, or maybe even just do a standard LS3 bore with forged pistons and rods, something that's gonna be able to hold something that's gonna be able to hold the power. But the C6 is about to be insane. It's probably time for a downsize, maybe a 18-inch drag pack or something, because I don't think people understand how crazy the C6 is about to get. So I'm gonna probably take the intake manifold off of the twin turbo LS motor that I'm building. I'm gonna probably put it on the C6, cut the hood, have the intake kind of sticking out the hood, and just maximize this top end power for this YSI. So C6 is gonna have major changes coming. Hope y'all gonna be ready for that. Like, I literally left early. I stopped vlogging. I was like so excited about it. I didn't even continue vlogging. Like, we was at the shop for another 2 hours and they were working and stuff. I could have vlogged more stuff, but I'm just so excited about, you know, the new partnership with Vortec. We partnered up before on the Swangs thing. They, you know, sent over the supercharger for that car. That's the reason why it stayed 5.0. It was actually supposed to be getting swapped to LS3, but with the partnership, with the supercharger and all that, it ended up staying 5.0. But, you know, here we are with the vet. I hope y'all ready for this, man. I hope y'all ready. This might be the first time I probably blow up LS3 with this new setup, but I'm so ready to have this thing like my fastest car. Like, I love the Vette overall. I still love my SC300. I still love my JZ. But just the way the Vette puts down power, the handling of it, I just think it's, I mean, I don't even gotta think. It's proven to be a way better chassis than the SE. I think it's just gonna work better. So, just be ready, man. Just be ready. I'm sorry this video didn't go as planned. I had a lot more stuff planned, but due to the, I can't even talk. Due to the excitement of the new partnership, you know, I kind of want to just go in here and chill. So, yeah, man. Let me wrap this up. This video probably short as hell. I have no clue. I don't even know how much footage I got. It's probably not long enough to do shit with, but I'm gonna still drop this because y'all have been asking about the C6. Y'all got the C6 update, and now y'all got some extra stuff that's going on with the C6 that really wasn't planned. This is a spontaneous decision when I had called Vortec, and here we are, about to be the big dad YSI. So, it's over. It's over. The C6 is about to be out here punishing niggas on the freeway. Hope y'all ready, bro. About to have crazy run footage coming. I'm about to, whoever wants smoke, bro, let me know. It's about to be smoke season this year.